everyone, welcome to another episode of Lately Law Minis. Today I wanted to provide a brief overview of some of the changes in the immigration front since President Biden has taken office. As you know, and we had posted some videos about it, in his first day of office he made some changes to certain immigration laws and regulations that were in place. He got rid of, for example, the Muslim ban that was in place. In the weeks following, he also did a lot more work in regards to immigration, to certain bans, and he also came up with different proclamations, memoranda, dealing with different areas in immigration. We get a lot of questions from clients that why are my cases not going forward still when some of these bans have been removed and I hear that other cases are going forward. In particular, a lot of people from the Muslim countries or African countries that were banned have this question. What you need to keep in mind is President Biden has not yet come up with a proclamation to end the ban that was in place by President then Trump in dealing with COVID and pandemic and the immigrant visa and the non-immigrant visa issuances and entry of those that would have been granted those types of visas. So that ban is still in place until the end of March of this year. And hopefully President Biden might come up with a proclamation removing that, but if not, you should know that that ban is still in place. Therefore, if you have certain type of cases, even though the Muslim ban has been removed and you are allowed entry into the country because the Muslim ban is no longer in effect, you may not be allowed entry because you fall under the general category of the people who cannot enter the US under the bans that are related to COVID. And there are exceptions to those. So for example, if you are a spouse or a child under 21 of a US citizen or an EB-5 investment immigrant visa applicant, or certain others that we had actually talked about when those bans came out in our videos, then your cases will go forward and you will have the opportunity to proceed with your case and have the right to enter the US should everything else be in order. I also wanted to talk about many other proclamations and memoranda that President Biden has set forth. People have heard about it. This deals with everything from removing the work on the border wall to DACA. A lot of people have questions on DACA. Just keep in mind, and we will post a video specific to DACA when there is more information out there. Just know that DACA has not been changed yet. Proclamation asking for DACA to be preserved and fortified. Now, when they determine how to fortify and how to preserve DACA and what changes that are going to be made, then we will keep you posted on those. There are proclamations dealing with asylums, with refugees, with the way the court system is handling cases, and many, many other proclamations. There's a long list, and I should mention here, I should have mentioned it even earlier, thanks to a great organization, AILA, which for attorneys like myself and many other colleagues that I know, they play a very important role providing resources and a bridge between us and people and offices and organizations that we may not be able to reach. We will keep you posted as these changes happen. If you in particular have an interest in one of many changes that are happening in the immigration front, please let us know, DM us, and we would be happy to post a video on that particular topic. For example, we have done a couple of them for our Farsi-speaking clients as it dealt primarily with the Muslim ban. And we would be happy to do many more should you guys have an interest in particular topics. Till next time, thank you for watching and have a great day.